I've concluded you really can't wrong buying either of drones, which makes this comparison video very difficult to make. Is definitely the biggest they've released yet. The areas that matter most, like the flight time and speed, are pretty much exactly the same, and the Air 3 beats out the Mavic 3 in every regard when it comes to the range and transmission system. The Air 3 does, however, have a few tricks up its sleeve, like the 48-megapixel main camera using the quad-layer sensor. I love the ability to switch over to the 70mm focal length with the press of a button, and having that compression on a drone is a serious game changer. The only thing that the Mavic 3 series has that I find to be an absolute game-changing feature is Vision Assist. This is a fairly new feature that allows you to actually see through the obstacle avoidance cameras. This is really helpful because when I'm tracking beside an object or doing an orbit with my camera focused on a subject that is not in the direction my drone is moving, I can use that little window in the bottom left corner to see what is directly beside my drone. This has seriously changed the way that I capture shots, as I feel way more comfortable when flying laterally. So, aircraft-wise, the Air 3 is the winner. Camera-wise, the Mavic 3 Pro is the winner. So, in my opinion, this comparison comes to a draw, which makes it so difficult to compare these drones. I guess my advice to you, if you're trying to figure out which of these is right for you, if you really care about the performance of your drone, go with the Air 3. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.